This is gonna blow your mind. Psalms 91 holds a special key to inner peace and calm. Let's unlock it together. Welcome, dear friend. Today we're diving into one of the most comforting and powerful chapters in the Bible, Psalms 91. It's like a warm hug from above, offering protection and peace. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Just imagine being covered by a divine shield, safe from life's storms. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. In these words we find a promise of unwavering support and love. Psalms 91 speaks of God's protection from dangers, both seen and unseen. It reminds us that no matter what we face, we're never alone. God's angels are there to guard us. For He shall give His angels charge over you, to keep you in all your ways. Can you feel the comfort in that promise? Let's take a moment to breathe deeply and reflect on these words. Allow them to fill your heart with peace and reassurance. Remember, it's okay to seek refuge in faith, to find solace in these sacred words. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, Psalms 91 can be your sanctuary. Thank you for joining me today. May you carry this peace with you always. Until next time, stay blessed.